Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. Welcome to the do-it-yourself article for the unit number 18. My name is Mart, and at the moment you see me struggling opening a USB hub and try to whinge it, but doesn't really give in. So I decided to, try a different approach, which you can see at the moment. It's shot with my GoPro in high speed, and I slowed it down for you. This approach actually divided the USB hub into two parts, which is awesome, of course. But then when I was actually taking off the plastic and the rubber thing, I discovered two screws. And, these kind of things always have screws, so before actually trying my approach, try and find the screws. So I took the screws out, and now I got the circuit board. As you can see, it has 4 USB ports and the smaller one. And let's desolder it. In order to get all the USB ports off the circuit board, I use a vacuum pump to get the remaining tin off the board. Because I was kind of impatient, so I used a cutting tool to remove everything else but the USB ports. That left me with 4 USB ports, as you can see now. You can see the battlefield of circuit leftovers. And after cleaning it up a bit, you have 4 USB ports ready to use. Now you can see the power supply I used. It's not the old one as I wrote down in my article because I kind of forgot it. So I just picked up a brand new one from my workspace. And, it's pretty big, has a big fan. And, not much more to say about it. It's huge. And these 2 cables are actually the cables I use most often. They have a positive 5 volts and it's ground, and a positive 12 volts and the correlating ground. In order to check the voltage output from the power supply, I used a multimeter to check if it's actually 5 volts. And as you can see, it's about 5 volts. Here you can see the case I built for holding the power supply and the USB ports. And here you can see the final result of the USB ports being put into the case and the case being closed down. With this setup, you can power your USB projects. Now I'll show you a few other examples what you can do with the big power supplies. First example is also addressed in the article, is a 10-meter long interactive light bar we built for the Stripe Festival. And the second example you can see here is a robotic arm that we built for a module a few weeks back. Now you know what an ATX power supply is, and hopefully you will know how to use it for your next project. So, good luck and goodbye.